Hey guys, J&T Shooter Reviews here. Got a little video for you. I keep getting comments on my H&K mp5 22LR version, how to take it down and clean it. In this video, I'm just going to do a quick takedown video to show y'all how to do that. I'm not going to be cleaning it tonight. Kind of short on time, so I'm going to take it apart for you. I'll reassemble it and to show you how dirty mine is. It's disgusting. I really need to clean it. I've shot hundreds of rounds through it, and you're going to see that. I already got some on my hand from the last video I just recorded, but my phone decided to shut off, so we're going to do it again. So, but let's start from tip to butt. We'll take off the fake can real quick. Just turn it left. Get the can off. Just like that. You got the barrel and the threads up there. So we'll turn it this way. Push the pin right here and the pin right here. This one holds in the brace. This one holds in the lower receiver. We'll push those through. Pop them out just like that. This one's, there we go. It's kind of stuck. Pull out the lower receiver. Oh, duh. Gotta take off the stock first. I'm an idiot. Pop the stock off just like that. Got the lower receiver. Take it off just like that. A lot of plastic in there. There's the all plastic. The hammer's all plastic. And just like that. So what we gotta do next, we just push on the front of these threads and it'll push the back whole bolt and barrel out. Pull it out just like that. This is so lightweight, it's crazy, this upper. It feels like I could just break it in my hand. If it didn't have all this metal, this thing would be not worth shit. But very simple how you do that. There we go. Got the 16-inch barrel. Got the bolt right here. And what you want to do is pull this back, and there's a lever you're going to push over this way, and it'll lock the bolt back. So you can clean it, clean inside the bolt. You can see how dirty mine is. Like if you don't believe me how much I shoot, I have a bucket of brass outside. I'll show y'all in a couple days for a video. People don't believe that I shoot my guns that much, but you see how disgusting it is in there, and full of grime and powder and all that. And the bolt face, be really careful when you're cleaning this, because if this comes to the right, and the bolt will go forward and your finger will get smushed and it will hurt like hell. So be really careful with that. You can see the recoil spring in there. See how dirty it is. Very, very nasty. I know I need to clean my guns better, but this one's just for fun, and I like plinking with it. Great gun. Only one malfunction out of hundreds of rounds. Almost 1,000 now, actually. So simple as that. We will take the upper receiver, and you'll see a hole in there. It's kind of hard, you won't be able to see on camera, but we will line it up, push it forward, so you see the threads on the outside. Simple as that. We will take the lower receiver and line it up. We'll put the screw in there. Locks it in perfect, no problems. We'll go back here, put the brace on. No problems there. Put the bolt in there. Perfect, no problems there. Then we take the fake can and put it on just like that. And voila, we are done. Gun's ready to go, no problems. I'll even show you. Put it on fire. It's empty, obviously. Goes bang. Trigger resets, bang. Perfect, no problems at all. Great gun, very easy to take down. The manual's kind of weird, and a lot of people have been telling me that. So other than that, very easy. Just run a bore snake when you completely disassemble it. I should have told you that before. Run a bore snake through it with some hoppies on it. Clean that barrel all the way out, get all the gunk out of there. take a couple of those white patches, or just an old t-shirt that has no nothing on it. It's a clean shirt, and you can use that, which I use sometimes. Put a little solvent on there, spray it, clean out the bolt, clean out the face in there, because all the spent powder and everything, unburnt powder, it's very dirty. And clean where the spring is, where I've shown you before also. And just like that, you will have a clean rifle. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. Hope you guys have a great night. Like and subscribe and comment.